This is the UDOS 31E, your 3-in-1 solution. This is the most powerful motor on the market. 14 amps, 1680 watts, and a rev range of 900 to 3600 RPM. Changing modes is as simple as pressing the button, pulling down on the collar, and twisting. So you spoke and we listened. We put your 3 favorite modes into one machine. I use these machines for an extended period of time, so comfort is an absolute must. So we designed both our speed control and our trigger lock to be ambidextrous. And with our angled up cord, it makes it a lot easier to throw over your shoulder. So another cool feature is that all of our touch points have been clearly marked in blue. So while we're operating as a rotary, we want to use speeds 1 through 3, which is 900 to 2000 RPMs. So while operating as an orbital in either 8 or 15 millimeter, we suggest speeds 4 through 6 for the smoothest operation. Ta-da!